Here come the first rates then this Wednesday morning, 19,766 on Nifty, scaling up higher by nearly 0.5% for the Sensex as we speak. Once again, it's a better start for the broader end of the market. The mid and the small caps are the ones which are taking a lead over what the benchmarks are doing. Let's first revisit the big buzzers from yesterday. Everything from a Coal India to Adani Ports, Bharti, Hindalco, Adani Enterprises, Tata Motors, these were your top performers in trade yesterday, as was the case with realty names as well. The likes of a DLF, Godrej Properties really leading the charts when it came to the Nifty Realty Index. And today as well, you are seeing good amount of traction for the Realty Pack as we speak right now. What's Escorts up to, what's City Union Bank up to, and NMDC, those stocks also will just come up for you on your screens. Now let's address the newsmakers. MCX, and they're going to go live on the new platform come October 16th. So let's see what that stock is up to. CUB, of course, is seeing a big move after that mega move in trade yesterday, and MCX as well. There's really no stopping this one. Another 2% higher for MCX as we speak right now. There's Ugro Capital, a good amount of AUM addition in the quarterly update, a 73% uptick. Net loan origination has risen about 34%. Ugro gaps up 5% as we speak right now. NCL as well. The production numbers for cement and the dispatches as well, both have posted a good show. So both those stocks are looking quite okay in trade as we speak right now. There's Religare, which is in focus. There's Lakshmi Organics, wherein there is a 259 odd crore rupee QIP. There's of course BOB. Let's see what that one is doing, considering the RBI has now barred the onboarding of new customers onto their app BOB World. So that's another stock which is in focus. And Cipla, we already told you about this, but now newspapers are catching on to that story that the valuation is where it's all getting stuck when it comes to, deal pricing for Cipla promoter stake sale. There's of course Z as well, wherein IDBI trusteeship has filed an appeal in the NCLAT against the NCLT nod for Z-Sony merger. So that, news flow really continues on this one. But Z is unabated. All the damage, I think, is already in the price. 261 is where that stock is currently in trade. Ajay, anything in specific that you're spotting?
I'm looking at a follow-up buying which is happening in a lot of Mumbai-based real estate developers like Suntec and others. I'm also looking at some of the, all these Varun Beverages of the world, Zomatos of the world. So that entire QSR / eating out / so that kind of merry-making stocks are also doing very well. So the early rates actually appear that yesterday's gains are maintained. We need to see first 15-20 minutes, very important, that do we give up some of the gains which were made yesterday or we build upon them. That is something to watch out for. And yesterday pharma was weak actually, particularly weak. Today pharma has come back. Stocks like Dr. Reddy's are doing very well, and so is Lupin. Both are trading by 1 or 2% higher. So overall, it looks like a pretty decent opening this morning as well.
It does. Kunal?